Hi, welcome. My name is Amber Morgan, and I am the Academic Program Director for the Academic Connections Department. And I appreciate you allowing me to share information about two wonderful resources that we have available at the college and sharing this information through a video. The first one I want to share with you is the Financial Education Center. We opened the Financial Education Center in April of 2016. It is located in the Engineering Technology Building, which is Building 103, in room 335. Our intent in opening the Financial Education Center is to help students and employees with financial literacy. What I've found over the years in working with students is that many of them struggle to make their financial goals as well as their academic goals. Many of our students they work full time or part time, and they will pick up many work hours in order to be able to meet their financial needs. And sometimes those hours then interfere with their time that they can spend on their academics. We want our students to be successful. We want them to persist and to graduate. And so many times it involves helping them overcome those financial hurdles. And so the center is all about working one-on-one with students and helping them learn more about budgeting, about planning, and about living within their means. The other resource I want to share with you is the Caring Corner. This is our emergency food pantry. It is open to both students and faculty and staff. It is located in the Engineering Technology Building, Building 103, in room 340. This is an emergency food pantry. It does have both canned items as well as toiletry items and boxed items. There is a refrigerator and a freezer, so we do have some perishable food items that we do keep on hand. Students can utilize this resource twice per month. Employees can utilize it once per month. It is for emergency purposes only. So if we see a student who comes in and visits the center multiple times, then we have AmeriCorps members who work in our center who can help direct students and employees to resources available in the Greenville community. Sometimes this is a short-term need, the food insecurity, and other times it needs a more long-term solution. Students and employees who visit the Caring Corner are also connected with our Financial Education Center so that we could help them maybe prepare and budget for food items. So unfortunately, we do have many of our students who are in our health career fields who are having to reduce their work hours so that they can be in clinicals full time. And sometimes that means that they need some extra assistance with food. It also means that if they have children at home, they may need some additional assistance with diapers or with formula or other types of child care type items. Due to COVID-19, both of these resources have moved online or by appointment only. The best place to direct students and employees for these services is at this website that you see here above. It is the Greenville Tech website with student resources. That's underscore resources and then a slash with help. This is the landing page for that website. On the website, if you scroll down, you'll see a section that's titled Financial Issues. And under that section, there is a spot here that says, I need to learn to manage my money. That would be information related to financial education and our Financial Education Center. And then there is a question, is there a place to get emergency food? And that is information related to our Caring Corner. The Caring Corner is currently open by appointment only. In order for someone to attend or come to the food pantry to get emergency food items, the contact person is Richard Dawkins, and his phone number is listed here at 250 8561, and he can meet the person at the food pantry and help provide assistance. Our food pantry is sustained through donations. And so, if you are ever interested in donating food items or toiletry items to our emergency food pantry, please contact Richard Dawkins and he will help assist from there. We always welcome donations and are so appreciative of everything that Greenville Tech employees provide. Our financial education center is currently online only or by phone appointments. On our website, you'll see that there are financial literacy consultations that are available, and there's also a financial literacy research guide. There are many wonderful online tools for financial literacy. So if an employee or a student needs help with financial literacy, they can contact me. I'm the contact person, Amber Morgan, at amber.morgan@gvltec.edu, and I will help either direct the student or employee to the online resources or meet with them via phone for consultation. So again, thank you for allowing me to share this information with you through a video. I welcome you to Greenville Tech if you're new. I have been at Greenville Tech for 12 years and I really enjoy it. It's a wonderful place to work, so I think you will enjoy working here as well. I look forward to meeting you in person sometime in the near future. And again, thank you for allowing me to share these great resources with you through a video today.